Hello, today in this tutorial I will show you how to create bulk mockup using Canva. It's really easy. We all know that creating mockups in Canva takes time because you have to create each image by itself. And let's say you do have like 20 images, and you have like 10 mockups. This is the total of 200 images, and it's very boring to do it one by one. Today in this video I will show you how to set up this and make it automatic, and the next time you will really do the 200 mockups in the 30 minutes or maybe less. And remember, it's automatic. You are not going to do it manual. You're going to do it between 10 minutes to 30 minutes, depend on your PC speed. So let's start. So first thing we have to do is we all know if you want to create the mockups in Canva, you have to put this like this and put your design and put it back like that. This is the only way to create it in Canva. Probably Canva have added like a new feature to create bulk mockup, but it's not optimized because you have to download one by one. So let's do it, and let's go. So the first thing you have to do, if you have like a file like that that has mockups, remember to download each one of them by itself. You don't download the whole file. So for example, we're gonna use page 6 and we will download it. So the first thing you have to do is download, and you choose PDF standard. Remember, this is very important. It has to be PDF standard, and you choose only page by page. You don't choose more than one page, okay? So let's go. I will continue doing this, and I will stop the video. So as you can see, we do have our downloads here, and the reason why I have a lot because my English is not my first language, and I got too much tongue twisted. So when you let's say this is the mockup that you want to do it. The first thing that you have to make sure is you come to this website Photopia. If you have Photoshop, you can do it in Photoshop, and if you have mockup Photoshop PSD, this is much even better. If you have them PSDs, it's gonna make it much easier for you. But let's say you have them in Canva, and this video is just about Canva. So the first thing, as you can see, we do have, this is the one that's count as a smart object, the one over here, beat map. But the thing, the bitmap, as you can see, it does not match the same space over here. If it does match like this size, you can keep it, but if it doesn't, no problem. What you do, you delete it, okay? And the first thing you do, you create a rectangle, and you try to match it exactly as the mockup. And don't worry about it, we will fix it. So just do it blue so you can see it. And what to do next is to create in the shape that we just created, and you convert it into a smart object. And when you do, now it's a smart object. And this is very important. If it's not a smart object, this is not going to work. And remember, this may look confusing, but you will do it only one time. You can watch this video, do it one time, and the next time is going to be just automatic, one click. So when you do like that, you come over here, you transform, you do distort, and you try to match it exactly with the edges of your mockup. And again, sometimes if you have PSD, it's better, but sometimes if you do also have what it's called Canva file and you download this as a PDF and you try to do this and you find it's actually match the size, you can keep it. So when you do like that and you take the image like that, the second thing that you have to do is put bulk, and I will show you why exactly you have to make it to put bulk. So I'm gonna have to do this to the others, and I will be back. I have created the smart object in all of them. So the one that has this order that like you see they're a little bit 90 degrees, something like that. The one like that are easier to prepare. You can just do like that and make it fill this color. Okay, actually we already made it a smart object, so it's not gonna work. And yeah, so that's what you do. And the most important thing again, you have to be a put bulk. It has to be put bulk. And this one has to be put bulk too. So what you do is you save them, and you make sure you save them as PSD. I will save them in one folder. But you can choose, you save them as you want. And remember, when you are saving them as PSD, you have to do like I will do test1.psd, but you can name it whatever you want. Something very important that I said it in the beginning, everything that you have to download, it has to be PSD, and you have to add it. You have you see here, I did not add PSD, and it's come out like this. So when trying to download it, you do like this, PSD. And now it's time to the easy part. as you can see, we do have our PSD files over here, and we have the design over here. And remember, you can use as much images and as much PSD you can do when you reach, and you come to this website, app.podbulk.com, and you put the PSD over here. So for example, I will come to download. Yeah, this is the right place. So I will put the PSDs over here, and I will put the images, which is the design that we want to create, over here. We're gonna use custom smart object, and you write down here pod bulk. For you, you can name whatever you want. And how does it work? It will search for that smart object and it will change it. Let's say you only have one smart object in the picture, you don't have to do it. But if you have like mask, a lot of flyers, a lot of everything, and you want specifically to change that smart object, you have to do it this way. So you have to do the pod bulk over here. For this time, I usually, to be more organized, I put each design in each folder. So each design from this, when it will be created on the mockup 1, mockup 2, mockup 3, it will be in one folder. But just to show you, this time I will do it over here. And I always take them as GPG 90 because it's faster. And yes, and you have to do prop engine. The reason why you have to do prop engine, because we have added complex. This is the complex, PSD complex. And when you do PSD complex, you have to do prop engine. Step, it's loading. I think it's ready. Edit request, done. Prop path for the tree PSD, which is mean it's ready. So we will go down and we will do run the script, and we will be back shortly. So as you can see, it's close to finish, and each one of them took me like 12 seconds. You don't have, you can go do other things. You can open Etsy, you can go play video games, you can do whatever you want until it's finished. But sometimes it's really when I'm not like screenshotting, I'm not having like Riot games. I don't have like music and they have like a lot of files. I keep it running for like 10 PSDs and 20 images. And when I come after 1 hour, I found everything ready. This is the beauty of it. So as you can see, when we will see the mockups. We're gonna put them over here. I think we can't see them over here. Let's do them in pictures. So pictures, you can see the mockups are already outside and without any problem, and they look exactly like they are supposed to come out of Canva. But remember, if you do have PSD Photoshop one, they looks better. They look like that because Canva looks like that. It's not, if you have like a smart object made in Photoshop, it's look better. And yeah, that's the result. So instead of doing it one by one, you can use this website to create it faster.